In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a cutout into a raster image. So this is a JPEG image, and what I'm cutting out are vector images or vector text that have cut lines, okay? To import a raster image into the Create software, you have to use File, Place Image, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and choose this fall image I have here again, and I'm going to size it down to about 10 inches and bring it here. Okay, now I'm going to go to my layers panel because I need a duplicate of this. So I can either go to Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste in Place, or I can just right click on it and copy and right click and paste in place. Now I have two, one directly under the other. And then I'm going to add my text. And I'll resize that a little bit. And then I'm going to also use a heart from the library. I'll just place that there. I'll select both of those and group them so that they are on one layer, and then I'll just place them here in the center. Okay, now the reason you want to do your vector images last is because you want them on the top. And if you have text that is script, you need to go to Path Union to weld it. I actually welded the heart as well, but that's fine because it's going to be cut out of my raster image anyway. Okay, so my vectors are on top. Then I'm going to hold Shift and select the very next layer, which is one of my raster images. I'm going to go to Path, Back minus Front. Don't worry about what it looks like. Hold Shift and select both layers, and then go to Object, Clip Path, Set Clip Path. And then you have it cut out of the raster image. And it's that easy. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can find me in the Facebook group that is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.